Good morning. I bought this Vortex Multix keyboard, the winter edition, and I like the board. Couldn't find much about it online, so thought I'd make a little video. Took off the keycaps. They're okay quality, but I will be swapping them out, I think. Now, I couldn't figure out whether to use brute force to open up the top case. There was no owner's manual with this thing and not much online, but I did find this guy.
Các bạn nhìn này. Vortex Multix.
Made by the homie
Đồ Chơi Công Nghệ.
And when he said
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
I really felt that. So there's 10 contact points on the bottom case that the top case bites into. So yeah, brute force it is. The case is plastic, which meant that it made an awful creaking noise when picked up. But I found a handy fix for that. I'll show you in a minute. As you can see, I went for cherry reds on this one. Removed them all. There's a nicely molded slab of silicone, both between the PCB and the plate, and at the bottom of the case, which is real nice. No modding required, in my opinion. Looped it all, filmed it, and put the keycaps back on. Anyway, here's that trick I mentioned earlier. If you're lubing anyway, you might as well lube all those little points where the top case bites into the bottom case. Completely removes that awful creaking noise. Makes it feel less cheap, even though it kinda is. And here's a little before and after. So yeah, thanks for watching.